All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a way to send an email to your Twitch subscribers that you have an email for, letting them know that their subscription has fallen off and that they need to go and resubscribe. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to make.com. From here, I'm going to sign in with Google. You can create your own account, whatever you need to do. So I'm going to sign in here and sign in with this account. This is the one that is from the kind of group that I'm sending these notifications from. So this should be whatever email that you use. I'm sure there's ways to do this with uh, Microsoft, like Outlook or any other ones. I just know how to do this with this. So what I'm going to do is you can see that I've already made this. This is my Twitch subscription reminder. You can go and look in here and you can see what the settings are for this, and I'll post in the description below an output that I will do that gives you all of these options pre-generated, where all you have to do is just connect. But if you want to create something different, or if you need to create something different because of what software you use, I will go through how to make that in this video. All right, so maybe. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to back out just a little bit. And I'm going to go up here to the upper right hand corner where it says create a new scenario, whatever you want to call it. Create a new one. I'm going to click on that. It's going to load up for me. Now, if you grab the link that I put below that has the, I think it's a JSON, maybe it's an XML, I'm not sure. Right in here, you're going to go right here to where it says more, and then you're going to click import blueprint. That's a JSON. Choose the file, and you're going to be able to grab from your downloads the blueprint that is located down below in the file down below. And I'm going to click on save. And what it's going to do is it's going to come through, and it should, hopefully, assuming it works, makes it so that you have all of the little features that you possibly need. What you are going to have to do is you're going to have to go in and create some of those more the links. So right here in my Twitch option, I'm going to click on this, and it's going to say choose a hook, and you might have to add this. I'll show you what that looks. And let's see. So it looks like it wants me to do that. And so my event type, I want to see when a subscription to your channel expires. So I want to click on that. That's the kind of trigger, if you will. It is not happy about something. So let me just add this. Okay, sure. It's going to go in. It's going to ask me if I authorize them to do all this stuff, and I say sure. Let's see if it has verifying the connection. Let's try that now. There we go. Now it's happy. All right, so we're going to click OK. Then right here in my Google Sheets, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a connection, and what I'm going to connect this to is a spreadsheet from my Google Drive. And this spreadsheet could be connected to a Google form or something like that. But what you're going to do is you're going to select my drive. I called the spreadsheet channel subs, and the sheet name, and does it contain headers? Yes, because I have names and stuff like that, username and email. And then right here, I have my username. This is my filter, and it's looking for username, and it's using this. And this is a big one. I didn't notice this the first time I did this. Make it equal to case insensitive. That way it doesn't, if the user types it in wrong, it doesn't necessarily flag it. And then I'm going to click OK. And then here on my Gmail, I'm going to have this connection. You can create it so it's a custom sender email. If you have that permission, I think on your organization level. For me, I just leave it as it is, so it looks like it comes from me. You're going to grab email here, and this is under the Google Sheets. This is one of the columns that I called it. So my column B has all of my emails in it. It could be whatever one has the emails in it. The subject line, this is the subject of your email. You are no longer subscribed. And then don't forget you have it if you have an Amazon Prime, your subscription is free. Help our team. This is HTML right here, Ahref. You put it in quotation marks. It has this. Click here to go back, and I click on this. This is okay. So this would be just however you want to phrase this, but this makes it so that it links right to my team's Twitch page. And then I'm going to click OK. And then this one is if there's an error. So if for some reason it doesn't work, it's going to send me the notification that they aren't in it. And so you can see, okay, this is 2. I send this to myself. I say that this username is no longer subscribed. And this is more for if a case I know the person like in real life. And this purple indicates that it's coming from Twitch. So it's all color coordinated. So this username coming from our Twitch username. Hey, this person is no longer subscribed, does not have an email file in the, and again, using this HTML to make it, why is that? Sorry. I need to provide that little dealy bop right there. So it'll actually link to the spreadsheet that's being used. I click on OK, and then I can, like, it's not really going to work first time through. You just turn it on and kind of sort of hope that it works. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully you're able to get this from here. This is kind of the work through on how you do everything. If you didn't upload the JSON, all you really do is you just add, you add them somewhere. Add another module. Yeah, you just add these modules. You can grab all of the different things. Like I said, there's Twitch. And oh, look, there it is, right? So, all right. Hopefully this is helpful. If it is, make sure you throw me a little money if you can or a sub. That's cool too. All right. Have a good one.